registration number is PGUM MBA 2020-048 TNJ Fernando. This is assignment for MGT 5103 Business Economics, assignment number 2, question number 1, product differentiation and monopolistic competition. Let's look at the lineup. I'm going to talk about the product differentiation and define monopolistic competition and talk about price discrimination and monopolistic competition. Moving on, the products produced by various firms are not identical but slightly different in each other in monopolistic competition. Products from various firms are similar but not same. The prices not much difference from each other and very close substitute. Moving on to the other, the difference occurs as buyers observe a difference between products and services in monopolistic competition. It affects the performance mainly by reducing direct competition. Moving on, in monopolistic competition, we see a difference in how it is distributed and marketed and who buys it. Moving on, the difference between the products in monopolistic competition is the one firm challenges and customers value it. In monopolistic competition, the non-price competition exists. Products differentiation is the is the main key in monopolistic competition. Next is a good example for a monopolistic competition in Sri Lanka includes two. Let's look at the definition of monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition is a type of imperfect competition such that many producers sell products that are differentiated from one another as goods but not perfect substitutes, and also firm takes the prices and charge from rivals, ignoring the impact of its prices on the prices of other firms. Moving on, this is also another example for monopolistic competition. There are other examples like cereal producers, clothes stores, shoe stores, and service industries in large cities. Moving on to the next slide, let's look at the characteristics of monopolistic competition. In monopolistic competition, markets have highly differentiated products. They, they have many There are many firms providing goods and services. Firms can freely enter and exist in the long run. Also, firms can make decisions independently. And there is also some degree of market power as well. And buyers and sellers have imperfect information about the services and goods in monopolistic competition. Moving on to the next slide, I'm going to talk about price determination and monopolistic competition. First thing is, at its optimum output, the firm charges a price that exceeds marginal cost. Second is, a source of inefficiency is the fact that these firms operate with excess capacity. With continuing, monopolistic competition, uh, firms maximizes profits where marginal revenues equals marginal cost. As shown, MC equals MR. A monopolistic competitive firm de- demand curve is downward sloping, which means it will charge a price that exceeds marginal cost. The market power possessed by a monopolistic competitive firm means that at its profit maximizing level of production, there will be a net loss of consumer and producer surplus. Moving on to next slide. Product differentiation is the product differentiation is done in order to demonstrate a unique aspect of firm's product and to create a sense of value. Product differentiation is here plays a key role in price determination. Next slide is a picture for monopolistic competition where you see same products but similar but not same. Moving on to the next slide, the market power in monopolistic competition allows firms to increase their prices without losing all of their customers. According to demand curve, that as price decreases, the quality demanded for goods increases. There, the firm have limited ability to detect the price of its product. A firm is a price setter, not a price taker. And moving on to the reference section, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.